It's a little bit loud over here today, but I hope you can hear me just well enough. So over here I have those projectors which are meant to be installed in your door card instead of the standard lights that will illuminate the area around the car. So this is the puddle light replacement, let's call it puddle light replacement. But what's different over here is that we have a projector over here, and this will cast an Audi logo near the car instead of the standard illuminated area. So I'm going to show you how to replace those in one of the doors, and then I will show you how this looks by night. Simple enough. So that's basically what you need to do. You need to pry the old light, disconnect the wiring, plug in the projector, put it in place, make sure that the logo is aligned, because there's a small adjustment on the projector itself, so we can make sure that the logo is casted in the correct way. And you can see that this is not very bright, and to be fair, at this time of day you would not see the standard lights also, but let me show you how this looks by night. Okay, so that's basically it. In the description below this video you'll find links to AliExpress. Give it a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.